they both in the same area, are they?
No. Massachusetts, Pennsylvania. Is it?
Yeah. Quite impressive, isn't it?
Absolutely. Oh my days.
I think the American lights are really looking better, aren't they? You're going to get a decent photo of the boat now, aren't you? Well, I don't know.